Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Realme C31. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Google Classroom, like that, and select this app. Now click install. After installation process is done, we can open the app, get started, add or log into the Gmail you want to use. So I will use this one, press OK. From here, select the plus button and press on the join class. Now enter the class code which you should be provided with and click on the join button right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.